The U.S. Air Force's latest stealth bomber, the B-21 Raider, was observed flying at high altitudes as part of ongoing tests. The B-21 Raider bomber is developed to evade the world's most sophisticated air defenses and deliver precision strikes globally. The Sri Lankan Air Force has inducted new Beechcraft King Air 360ER surveillance aircraft from United States and Australia, enhancing its maritime surveillance, enabling it to monitor its waters, counter maritime threats and safeguard essential trade routes. China has unveiled its latest high-powered laser defense system, known as the Red Wing Vanguard, to counter unmanned aerial vehicle threats. The laser system is capable of generating 3 kilowatts of laser power, enabling it to intercept and neutralize drones within a range of over 1 kilometer. North Korea conducted a test of its newly developed solid-fuel ballistic missile Hwasong-19. This advanced missile is reportedly capable of reaching the continental United States, marking it as one of the most powerful ICBMs in North Korea's arsenal.